Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make jagaimo no soboroni. It's potato and ground meat cooked with salty sweet broth. Very easy and simple dish, but the potato soaked up the broth. It's so good and addictive. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this jagaimo no soboroni, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 200 grams of ground pork. You can use other meat. 3 to 4 potatoes depending on the size. 2 tablespoons each of sake, mirin and soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock, and some green onion to garnish. As always, let's finish all the cutting first. So green onion. Cut the bottom off. Cut them into half, put them together. Cut them into half, put them together. And let's just make thin slices. This is to sprinkle at the end, so let's put it in a small bowl and set aside. Potatoes. Let's peel the skin. Peeled and washed. Let's cut it into chunks. About this size. Release them in cold water and leave for about 5 minutes. Heat up the pot or frying pan over medium to medium-high heat and let's cook the pork. I'm not using any oil because pork is fatty, but if you're using other meat, you may want to use a little bit of oil. When the pork is browned, add potatoes. Only the potatoes, not with the water. keep cooking until the potato is coated with the fat of the pork. Once the fat of the pork is circulated all over the potato, add 1 cup of water and all these seasonings. 1 cup of water, sake, mirin, soy sauce, sugar, and hondashi. Give it a stir. And cook for about 10 minutes until potato is nice and soft. Cooked for 10 minutes. The heat is medium to medium high all the way through, so make sure not to burn it. The toothpick can easily go through, and the broth is cooked down, so there is almost no broth left. Kill the heat and it's done. Let's serve in the bowl. Put some green onion and じゃがいものそぼろ煮 is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Iただきます。The beauty of the dish is the potato soaked up all the savory broth. The salty sweet seasoning is something that everyone loves. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. じゃがいものそぼろ煮 is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice here and spinach miso soup or any soup you like here. Whatever you like for the side dishes, but how about carrot salad for one of them and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!